Hello everyone. Today is a special day for all of us, Agrosaw Day. On this day, 41 years ago, Agrosaw came into existence with a simple dream to contribute something meaningful to the Indian agriculture. I still remember those early days. We didn't have much, but what we had was belief. Belief to work hard, honestly, and the right intention would bring something that lasts. Standing here today, I feel deeply proud not just of what Agrosa has achieved, but of what the people who made it possible. Each one of us sitting here has played a part in this journey in building Agrosa, in shaping its identity and carrying forward its legacy. Over these years, 41 years, we have been seeing many ups and downs. There were times of struggle, times of learning, times of great joy, but through it all, one thing remained constant: our unity. We work not just as colleagues, but as a family that celebrates together, supports each other, and stands strong in every situation. Our vision has always been clear: to make Agrosa a name that farmers and industries would trust. But beyond business, our real success lies in the values we have upheld: ethics, quality, and care for our customers and our people. We step into our 42nd year. I want to remind you all of one thing: never stop challenging yourself, find your limits, and cross them. Person here has the power to grow and to improve and to achieve more than what they can imagine. Don't let anyone else define your limits. You set your own, because when we believe in ourselves, nothing is impossible. I also want to take a moment to thank everyone: our team members, our dealers, our customers, and everyone who has trusted Agrosa through these years. You are the reason we stand here today. Let us continue to work in harmony with mutual respect and shared purpose. Let us keep learning, keep improving, and keep moving forward, not just for Agrosa, but for every farmer and every life that our machines touch. From the bottom of my heart, thank you for being a part of this incredible journey. Together, we have built something that is not just a company, but a legacy. Here's to Agrosa: 41 years of hard work, unity, and trust, and to many more years of success and togetherness ahead. Thank you all.